Hello guys, in this video we will unbox the Huawei Freebuds Lite earphones. Here is the box. As you can see, let's unbox it. It's very satisfying when you slide it out like this. Oh, nice. So here's what you will find inside the box. You have your earphones. The top, we will check these out in a minute. And then here's another box in the box, which is quite heavy, very interesting. Let's see what do we have inside. Oh wow, there are quite a few manuals. Oh, I can't really imagine why would you need this much information for simple headphones, but yeah, you got your manuals. You also got some earpieces if you want to change them for smaller size or something. Yeah, these are cool. Let's see the earphones. You open up the case, which is also the battery. You can charge your earphones 3 times, I think, with this battery, which is quite good. This is how they look. It's quite similar to the Apple earphones, the Apple Pro earphones, actually. Yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like this video, and see you in the next one.